This is a quick video for folks in my regular physics class, just forecasting for next year. This is a slideshow that Mr. Duggan made. I've changed it maybe just a little bit. You definitely need a minimum of 3 credits of science to graduate, but you can take as many as you want. That's a key concept there. One of the possibilities is you could do either IB Physics 1 or IB Physics 2. Basically, if this class was super easy for you, you could do IB Physics 2. I mean, you're just bored out of your mind, right? And I've had kids that had to take regular physics just because of scheduling, and so they jumped right into IB Physics 2. And I've had some kids do that. You can talk to them this year that are seniors this year, right? IB Physics 1, some people like to do that too. IB Physics 1 is very similar topics, okay, but you're going to add statics, which is sort of like bridge building, rotational mechanics, which is exciting things like gyroscopes, and then fluid mechanics, which is, Bernoulli equation and all kinds of fun stuff there. So anyway, you're stuck with me if you do IB Physics, so think about that. And then there's human body systems. These aren't technically in the science category, but they are science. So human body system 1, you should take these if you're going to go into the some sort of medical field. You got to take human body systems first, and then you can take medical career exploration 1 and 2. So again, if you're already in human body systems, you can take medical career exploration. If you completed the first one, you can take medical careers 2, okay, which is more advanced. And kids, I've heard good things about these classes. So feel free to comment, though, in the comment field of this video. IB Chemistry 1, right now I think Mr. White's teaching that. I think he'll keep teaching it, but I'm not sure. It might be Menley Neitzel who might teach that. I'm not sure. And I'll give you my, if you want to ask me, I can say, gee, I think you could do it. You will need to work pretty hard. It is a tough class. And then probably most of you guys are juniors already, so you wouldn't be able to do IB Chemistry 2, but you could get IB Chemistry 1 in. Okay. There's IB Bio 1. This is also pretty tough class. If you already did this class, definitely, and this, by the way, is just called IB Biology. I don't think the 1 is in the catalog, right? IB Biology 2 is you could do that as a senior if you took IB Bio 1. And they're drawing the line at that. They definitely won't let you in if you didn't take IB Bio 1. IB Environmental Systems seems like a fun class. I've actually subbed for this class, and it seems pretty groovy. But again, it's an IB class, so you have to work pretty hard for it. And then there's these electives. These are so you could pair up 2 of these, right? So you could go marine bio. Whoops. You can go marine bio and geology, marine and intro, right? Any 2 of these, right? Because this will be your fall, this will be your spring, or something like that, right? I think Youngberg does astronomy and geology, and then I think Mr. Robertson does marine biology. Intro to forensics is Ms. Neitzel, and I think that'll be the same next year. Anyway, I've heard good things about it. This is what your sheet is going to look like. So don't be shocked about it. So here's notice that there's not a section for science here, because probably by the time you're a senior, you've done your 3 science classes, right? But here are all the science ones, right? These H, that means it's honors. So, anyway, I don't want to dwell on these and try to influence you into doing anything, right? Just stare at the forecasting sheet, right? And then the health sciences, these things are over there, okay? You'll see these are on the back of the sheet. Anyway, think about that. Feel free to email me, free feel. I'm going to try that again. Feel free to comment if you've taken some of these classes. It'd be cool. You can just you don't have to say, gee, I hated that class. You can just say, I took this class. You can ask me my opinion. Okay. Just because I don't want people posting necessarily negative things or arguing about classes in the comments, but you can just say in the comments section of the video, I took this class. Feel free to ask me. Okay. I think I'm going to stop talking now.